Good morning and welcome back, Oxbow Creek. October, second month of the school year already. It's surprising to me how quickly it goes, but it's been a great start, so I want to thank all of you for that. With the start of October here, I'm going to start featuring a word of the month as well as a word of the week on announcements. It gives us an opportunity to talk about some of the character education that we're trying to help you establish in yourself. And I hope by learning these words, big words, some of them, but I hope that they help you become the kind of person that you want to be. And this first month, we talk about one of our big three. I told all of the students when I went around, we're talking about respect, responsibility, and safe in everything we're doing. And this first month of October, we're going to be looking at the word respect and what that means. And there are a lot of words kind of associated with respect, and one of those words is the word courtesy. I've got a student leadership team who's going to help kind of elicit what some of these things mean. And so watch this video that our students put together.
I'm Madison from 5HE. And I'm Lily from 5AS. Courtesy means to be polite and to have a kind or generous manner.
Thank you, Madison and Lily. That's a great way to show what courtesy can really mean for our kids here. A couple of announcements. One, I want to talk about field trips quickly. I know first grade got to go down to the Children's Theater last week already, and I know a group has gone to the Wargo Nature Center. I think our fourth graders went there. When you go on those field trips, students, keep in mind that you're representing all of us here at Oxbow Creek. Your behavior, when you say thank you, to the people that help you, it makes a huge difference. And I'm always proud of the fact as principal that I get calls from some of these other places or people who might happen to be at a museum when our kids are there, and they say, what well-behaved kids, what a great school. You really are representing Oxbow Creek whenever you do that. So keep that in mind, and thank you for the great start with that. Field trips are a great opportunity to learn things that you don't always get to learn when you're sitting at school. So it's nice that we can continue to do that. And I want to thank our PTO for the support that they provide so that you guys can do some of these things as well. I am wearing my gold today. You might have noticed maroon and gold, the Gopher colors, but I've got my gold ribbon here as well. And the reason we're doing that here on Friday while we're filming this is it's Children's Cancer Awareness Month. And actually we have some kids at our school, and I want to thank Nevaeh Belker from Mr. Scheller's class as the one who said, can we recognize and think about that by wearing gold on Friday? And our student leadership team made up some posters, and there's a lot of gold around here today, which is nice to see. But thanks, Nevaeh, for the idea, and thank you all for caring much. Boy, cancer at any level is horrible, but cancer in children is something that we need to find a cure for, so make sure that this isn't something that continues. Those are the announcements for the week. I've got a couple jokes. One from, this is from Lolu, who says, what do you call a pooch who wakes up too early in the morning? Well, that would be a groggy doggy. And Madeline from Miss Benner's class says, where does a cow go for vacation? New York. And Peyton from Miss McFerrin's class, what has 4 legs and goes oom? That's a cow walking backwards. Moo, moo, oom. I guess those are the jokes. I'm not sure if you like this or like this, but everybody have a great week.